Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to reset the invitation code in the Google Classroom application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the class that you created. For this, there's a video that you can watch. And then just click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the general section, click on the three dots next to the student invitation settings button. And then just click on the reset invitation codes button, and as you can see, the class code changed. You can do this many times as you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.